Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Amika Liter Pump is probably one of the most versatile and effective hair styling tools available on the market today, designed to help you achieve salon-quality results right in the comfort of your own home. This innovative device is engineered with advanced technology to deliver consistent heat distribution and optimal airflow, ensuring that your hair is styled efficiently and with minimal damage. Whether you're looking to add volume, create sleek straight looks, or achieve bouncy curls, the Amika Liter Pump offers the flexibility and power to transform your hair into a masterpiece, making it an indispensable addition to any beauty enthusiast's collection. Number 5. Universal Shampoo Conditioner Pump, 2-pack white. This high-quality dispenser is designed to get the most out of your products. It's perfect for a variety of liquids, including soaps, lotions, shampoos, conditioners, and oils. Whether for consumer, professional, or salon use, it offers high compatibility with complex formulations. Use it for your favorite shampoo, conditioner, liquid soap, lotion, or oils. Enjoy the convenience of its lockdown feature, making it ideal for travel or preventing accidental dispensing. This ensures your liquids stay where they belong. This dispenser comes in a clean white color, designed to seamlessly match your existing bottles. It adds a touch of style to your product setup. Designed to work with standard-size liter bottles, this pump offers a universal fit. You can easily replace your old pump or upgrade your current bottle. This package includes 2 white dispenser pumps, offering great value. You'll have a spare or can equip multiple bottles with these functional dispensers. What we like? This pump offers excellent compatibility with various formulations, including thick conditioners and oils. Its lockdown feature is perfect for preventing accidental dispensing. If you need a versatile pump that works with many different products and want added security, this is a great choice. What people say. Bought these for the bottles and they fit perfectly and work great. These are great if you use jumbo-sized, or possibly other, shampoos conditioners that a pump can fit. This item worked exactly as expected. It pumps out a perfect amount of shampoo and conditioner, was easy to install, and fit my 32-ounce bottles of shampoo perfectly. Number 4. Bar 5F Pumps for shampoo, conditioner, lotion, body wash. Tired of messy spills and difficult dispensing? Our pumps are designed to fit standard 1-inch bottlenecks perfectly, ensuring a clean and easy experience every time. Effortlessly dispense your favorite shampoo, conditioner, lotion, or body wash. These pumps provide a smooth and consistent flow, making your daily routine simpler. Each pump is ideal for 1 liter or 33.8-ounce bottles. You'll enjoy long-lasting use without constant refilling, perfect for home or salon. Available in classic black and white, these pumps add a touch of elegance to any bottle. They are as stylish as they are functional. Whether it's for personal care products or cleaning supplies, these pumps offer a convenient solution. They are a must-have accessory for any household. Stop struggling with stubborn caps and messy pouring. Make the switch to our reliable pumps for a superior dispensing experience. What we like? These pumps provide a clean and uniform look for your bottles, available in both black and white to match your aesthetic. They are specifically designed for standard 1-liter bottles. If you prioritize a cohesive and stylish appearance for your salon or home, these are an excellent option. What people say. These were exactly what I was looking for. They fit perfectly and work very well. Works well with the matrix bottles I use them with. Like the option of having a 2-color pack, helps me to color code shampoo conditioner and be able to identify my products easily in the shower. Perfect fit for Pet Honesty fish oil. It's even better than the ones they provide by default. Does not leak after a squirt. Number 3. Amika the Kure Strength Repair Conditioner. Meet the ultimate solution for damaged hair. This conditioner is designed to intensely repair and strengthen your strands from root to tip. Infused with powerful ingredients, it works to rebuild weakened hair fibers. Experience a noticeable difference in strength and resilience with every wash. Whether your hair is brittle, dry, or chemically treated, this formula is here to help. It provides deep nourishment without weighing your hair down. Unlock healthier, more manageable hair. Its restorative properties leave your locks feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. See and feel the transformation. This conditioner helps to prevent breakage and split ends, promoting overall hair health. We believe in effective, high-quality hair care. Trust this conditioner to bring your hair back to life with its advanced repair technology. What we like. This product is specifically formulated for strength repair, focusing on nourishing and revitalizing damaged hair. If you're looking to improve hair resilience and combat breakage, this conditioner is tailored for you. What people say. My hair feels soft, hydrated, and has an amazing scent that lasts a long time. I feel it truly complements the repairing shampoo, leaving my hair manageable and healthy looking without weighing it down. My hair is shiny and smoother after using this conditioner, hydrating and moisturizing. Repairs my weak hair strands. Easy to use and a little goes a long way for the value. It is lightweight and my moisture level lasts until the 4th day. It's the only one my daughter will use now. Her hair is so much fuller than it was, indefinitely healthy and moisturized. Hair went from being thin and brittle to thicker and stronger but soft. Number 2. Bar 5F Shampoo and Conditioner Pumps, 2-pack clear. These pumps are designed to fit standard 1-liter bottles with a 1-inch neck. Ensure a snug fit for optimal performance. Get a clean and uniform look for your shampoo and conditioner bottles with this matching 2-pack. They provide a cohesive aesthetic for your space. Each press delivers a precise 4 cubic centimeters dose, ensuring controlled dispensing and minimizing waste. Get the perfect amount every time. These pumps can be trimmed to fit bottles up to 9 inches tall. This ensures you can get every last drop out of your product. Ideal for shampoo, conditioner, liquid soap, and lotion. They are perfect for both home and professional salon use. What we like. With a precise 4 cubic centimeters dose per press, this pump ensures consistent dispensing and minimizes waste, making it ideal for controlled application. The adjustable dip tube allows for a perfect fit in various bottle heights. If you value accuracy and efficiency in dispensing, especially in a salon setting, this 2-pack of clear pumps is a smart pick. What people say. Fits bottle well and pump works great. These pump the product very well. Great quality, plastic is better than metal ones as no rust. Number 1. 1-gallon pump dispenser. Introducing our gallon jug pump dispenser, designed for ultimate convenience. Its leak-proof design ensures no spills, making it perfect for everyday use. Crafted from quality plastic with a stainless steel spring, this dispenser is built to last. Enjoy durable and reusable performance for all your dispensing needs. With a 1.5-inch neck, it's designed to fit most gallon jugs and containers. Experience smooth and efficient dispensing every time you use it. Prevent spills and leaks with the secure lock feature. Simply twist and push down to lock it, making it ideal for travel or storage. This dispenser is designed for effortless installation. The dip tube can be easily cut to fit various container sizes, ensuring a perfect fit. Perfect for dispensing a wide range of liquids, including soaps, lotions, shampoos, and cleaning solutions. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any home. What we like. This dispenser is built for larger gallon jugs, featuring a sturdy construction and a reliable leak-proof lock for safe transport and storage. If you're managing bulk liquids like cleaning solutions or large amounts of shampoo and conditioner, this pump offers convenience and security for bigger containers. What people say. The pump seems as if it were specifically made for the Biotone Gallon Advanced Therapy Massage Lotion that I use. The intake hose and the spout are just the right length, and the lotion came out after only a few initial pumps to prime the line. Nicely crafted foaming soap bottles. I made my own foaming hand soap. Works wonderfully. I was looking for a soap dispenser for the big bottles of laundry soap we buy, as I find it really hard to maneuver the bottles. This works perfectly and allows me to keep the soap in one spot and not have to deal with awkwardness or potential spilling of soap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.